Purchasing health insurance is a crucial step in safeguarding your well-being and managing potential medical expenses. Start by evaluating your healthcare needs and financial capabilities. Consider factors such as your age, health condition, and any specific medical requirements you may have. Explore reputable health insurance providers in your region. Look for companies with a good track record in customer service and a wide network of healthcare providers. Check online reviews and testimonials to gauge customer satisfaction. Understand the different types of health insurance plans available, such as health maintenance organizations, HMOs, preferred provider organizations, PPOs, and high-deductible health plans, HDHPs. Compare the coverage, premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket costs for each plan to find one that aligns with your needs. Ensure that the health insurance plan you choose includes a network of healthcare providers, hospitals, and specialists in your area. This ensures that you can access the medical services you need without significant additional costs. Some health insurance plans offer additional benefits, such as wellness programs, preventive care, or telemedicine services. Evaluate these extras to determine if they add value to your overall coverage. Examine the cost-sharing aspects of the plan, including co-pays, co-insurance, and deductibles. Be aware of any limits on coverage or exclusions, as well as how the plan handles pre-existing conditions. Explore healthcare marketplaces, both government-run and private, where you can compare multiple plans at once. These platforms often provide tools to help you make informed decisions based on your needs and budget. Enroll in a health insurance plan during the designated open enrollment periods to avoid penalties and ensure coverage. Some life events like marriage or the birth of a child may also qualify you for special enrollment periods. If navigating health insurance options seems overwhelming, consider consulting with an insurance broker or advisor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances. Keep yourself informed about changes in your health insurance plan and any updates in healthcare regulations. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it continues to meet your evolving needs. By following these steps, you can make an informed decision and secure the health insurance coverage that best suits your individual requirements.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.